When I first get here, every morning about 5:45, clock in, put everything down in my little room in the back, and hey, begin working, turn my lights on, alarm off, start my day off. There's the kindergarten hall down here. I do everything down here, mop, sweep, dust, whatever is needed. So when I see a baby or a child that got hurt or whatever, I'm going to them first. What's wrong? Why you crying? What's wrong? Let me take it to the office or to the nurse. So that's basically what I do every day. I just want to make sure the kids, this is a safe place. I want to make sure they welcome, feel comfortable with me as a custodian also. And like I tell them all the time, if they feel like they can't talk to a teacher, they come to me. I love her. This is Matilda. Now she loves me. I also do her room. She's a 5th grader. She wants just me to do, and I got it. This my baby.
Keeps my office smelling so good.
This my baby. That's right. These kids are like my children. I'm a mother of 4. So if I see something wrong, they need me, I'm coming to them. I'm dedicated in my work, and just want to make sure the kids is, like I said, safe in the school. Because I will tell it now. When they're doing wrong, I will. But at the end, they still gonna love me. They really do. You'll be real sick, I'm still coming home to work. Because these kids are important to me. And I know they need me also.